see now there's 3 of us,
Hike.
and we're on a hike now. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're at this high tour place.
It's real high.
We usually go up that way, and this time we're gonna stay on the water path and do that thing.
I know you're asking yourself, saying, why are they in the water when it's almost January? Well, that's a good question. Kevin?
We had free time and there was no baby.
Okay, see, there you go. Look, you know it's cold. There's ice. See, right there. See it? Crazy. Wow. And them woods in it. It's safe to walk on, right? Right? It's safe to walk on. It's cold enough. It's slippery. Whoa, whoa, okay, no. Nope, it's not safe. It's not safe. Don't do it.
It's not safe.
It's a trap!
It's a trap. Stop, Alex. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Look at it.
Dun, 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 dun. I am so scared that that's gonna fucking break.
What? What's gonna break? Oh, that's not breaking. Is this gonna break? That's right. You slide across, it won't break. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Isn't that neat? So what happens here is water falls down from the top as it's cold outside, and it touches the wall and slowly moves down and it freezes. And the more it freezes, the more it builds up. So you get icicles like this that you just take off of.
You can drink the water.
Yeah. Icicle. Fresh. It's good for you. I don't really know if it's good for you. Probably shouldn't be eating any of it though. Bigfoot fell through?
Bigfoot footprint, if I've ever
That's
seen
Bigfoot's footprint, if you ever seen one. Right? Look, he even knocked down this tree. He must have come stumbling down. Boom, 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 boom. Right in. I mean, that's definitely a Bigfoot. That's way bigger than mine.
Yep. Maybe it's a baby Bigfoot.
See, look, my foot's way smaller than that. Ah, that's funny. You okay back there?
Yep.
Okay. Gets rough up here. We got Joe from here over there, and then Hope carry over. So
Yes.
let's go.
I need assistance.
That was good.
Your foot got what? Did your foot?
A little dribble.
Just a little dribble? That's good because it's cold out. We don't want you to get trench foot.
Oh yeah.
Have saggy socks.
Yeah, soggy socks involves trench feet, and trench feet is something that happened in World War I. Lots and lots of, you know?
Yeah. And that was not a good thing.
It was bad.
Yeah. That's a very round rock.
It's a round rock. That's a rock. That's a rock. Look at that rock. What, that one?
That's
And that one? Look at all these rocks. Look at that. Right there. Okay, so you got this. If you look this way, and you turn this way, look how cool this looks. Look at it. You literally have to like duck down a little bit, and then it. Oh, got a tree down on this one. I mean, it's pretty tall. And then you come out, and look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool. Not the stick. Get that stick. Look at that. Aggie's up there now. Hold on, I gotta stop. And this is getting pretty steep up here. Okay, I had to take a minute to show you guys. Look how thick this ice is. I mean, that's pretty thick. And that's on just the side. I can't imagine how cold this water is. That's so crazy. Look at him. Too high! Somebody call 911! I think he's going down. No, he's okay. He's okay.
Let me get your picture. Hang on, friend.
Sexy.
Work it, Aggie, work it.
Okay, so coming up, this is pretty much like the waterfall. That's making a weird noise over there.
Because it's water, probably falling. And you see, when water falls, it makes noise. But who came first? The water or the fall?
The fall into the water. Should we go down there? You want me to go down there?
Right. He's gonna do what no man has ever done in the freezing cold water.
I'm gonna go down there and inspect that waterfall. Oh, you smashed my shit!
See, already dangerous going down. He's on the ice. You on thin ice, boy.
Oysters. Yeah!
He's going down in the tunnel. Wow. Cuss words. Oh wow! Good thing you jumped and you did.
See that? Safety first, last noise.
Oh man, I'm gonna put that in slow-mo. You see what you did? It's gonna be a goddamn Russian waterfall.
The Naval Memorial.
Yeah.
Oh, you too, huh?
Should we keep continue?
That
Yeah.
was good.
Look at this one, he's hurt.
Go underneath it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make it? Oh.
My sunglasses.
Oh no.
No. Can you save them?
They're right there.
Not fall, please.
Gotta make sure.
No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Cody is on the mission to save his sunglasses.
Those sunglasses are $1.
What? He's getting them. They're worth $1, you says?
Yeah, he's trying to save dollar sunglasses.
They're the good ones.
They are.
Oh, I see them ears.
I see them! I see them! There's six. Now we're on it.
Gotta fill the wallet. Make sure the wallet's safe. Right underneath that slab. Under the one that's still connected.
What the fuck is that thing?
Got him!
Yay! Sorry, I said a lot of swears. I'm adding stuff out.
In your face! My hands are freezing.
So that's where those have been.
Good job.
You're jumping over there?
Yeah, I think you just gotta go for it. That's that.
Oh, Alex.
He's about to have some soggy sack.
Sorry for booby.
See? Pass it back.
I'm not doing that.
I don't want to do that either.
Come on.
Okay. Please make safe choices.
Wow, that's high.
Please no.
This one has to break, right?
No.
Oh, let me try. You got it. You nailed it.
Oh.
That one broke it. That one was too heavy. I'm going at this skill.
What is he doing? That's ice, my dude. That's cold. Nope, that's not gonna work. It's just that's not. Yeah, look at now we made the icy all poopy poo. You got poo on the ice. Look,
It's not safe.
it's not safe. I know your foot went through. Oh, you just smeared it in.
Yeah.
The waterfall is right around this corner, and we're almost there. They beat me there, but that's okay. And there it is, in all her frozen glory. Look at her. But I don't know how well it's gonna work.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
We're gonna go. Ready? Here we go. It's all ice. If we go in the water, it'll make for great content. He's cheating. He made me go up the hard way, and he's gonna cheat. Okay, I gotta walk on this wall. Look at it. See how much I can walk on that. You just gotta go for it. And you just climb up, and you just gotta walk. Just don't even think about it. And that's how you get through it. You just walk, you don't even think about it. We're gonna go up this. Yep. Ah, see. My knee almost gave out. Old. Almost 29. Mr. over there is 30. So crazy to think about, huh? Pretty crazy. We gotta get up there if we want to see what's up there. Go on. Go ahead. You walk across the easy way.
I am.
Look. Sagi-sa. 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 She's down there on her phone. Look at her. She's sitting on the phone. Ah.
Well, I'm here now. I made it.
He did make it. So much for the easier way. It's slippery on this side.
Just a little bit.
Oh, I almost went in. I just want to see what's at the tippy top. We're walking on ice. We're walking on sunshine. Oh. That's all I can say of the song, so we don't get into trouble. See that? Did you see that?
That was nuts.
I don't know how we're gonna do this though. Oh, just like I did last time. You just walk up, don't even think about it. You just walk up, don't even think about it. Alright, here we are. The top of the waterfall. And there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Except for another little tiny waterfall. That's it. It does look pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Whoa.
How far up does it go?
I don't know. Okay, now comes the easy part. We gotta get down. You can either one, take the slide, get super wet. Take kind of the hard part, and you're gonna probably hurt your hands a little bit. You want me to go first?
Oh, you're gonna record while you go down there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. If you want.
Yeah. Heads up. You just gotta find your path. So we want to get to that right there. So we gotta go down this. So here to here to here. Other foot though. To here to switch feet. And we're done. Level 1 complete. You want more on that side. It's slippery where I'm standing. Now we get to go down this part. A little muddy mud. Just do a little hop. Skip. Skip. Hop. Scotch. Wow. Skidoo. Look at that, we're down. Now Aggie's turn.
That's how you turn. Wait a second.
It's called Follow the Leader, and I'm the leader. Just grab this in the blank. Look at that, we're almost back already. Come on, walk on the ledge, walk on the ledge. Step down a little bit. Come over this way, keep walking on the ledge. Step down a little bit. Then slide down that little bit down there. We'll clear your hand space up. We made it to the top and we made it all the way down.
I just jumped all the way down.
Mr. Daredevil.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get back to the car now. It's getting kind of chilly outside. You guys hype on this stick branch thing? I'm gonna jump off this like it's a skateboard or surfboard thing, you know? Alex is struggling to get over here.
Anything for the bank.
Yep. Nice.
That board's thing landing on it. You have a kick thing?
Oh.
No? Take foot all day. Okay, so sometimes you just gotta make the sacrifice and say jump. That's what we're gonna do. Ta-da! I'm trying to get it to like stand straight up for a little bit, but it doesn't work.
It was good though. We liked it. It was a 5 out of 9.
So, some more okay, we're all done. We are finished with the hike, and we made it back safely and just enough time to go and get the kid.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
So, that one, yeah. She's not there right now, but she'll be there now. Well, you guys won't see. We'll be done. Still not there. We're not that good.
You
We're
can
not that
edit it in later.
good. Later, yeah. We'll just put a picture of it. Put it right there.
Yeah. And then booby picture.
Yeah, there we go. But that's it. Alex has more video that he's gonna send me, and I'll have 2 videos coming up. So Just pay attention. Well, this is one of them, so one more coming up. So you just pay attention. Okay, you just